There you go. And if you go around those potholes there.
This way?
No, or you can go that way, I guess. There you go. Straight down.
Going straight in the turn.
You go straight down. Stop. No, in fact, go, because you go the right way. Go, you go the right way. This guy has to be the one who stops because he's got the gear for his side. What up, There you go, how you feeling?
Good.
Yep, watch the road, watch the potholes. What up, everyone? How you feeling? Careful with that rock. There you go. Go. Keep going. Oh, come on, boy. You're too slow now, huh? Speed up a little bit. There we go. There we go. Speed up. Come on, speed up, speed up, speed up. Too slow. There's no potholes here. We've got some space. Move. Let's go. There we go. That's it. Yep, well done for dodging the potholes. Don't go towards the guy. Don't run him over.
Get out the way.
There you go, you're driving real cool. Hey, what up, Tindo? How you doing? We waved some people. Wave, wave, wave. Wave. What up, peeps? What's happening, team? Let's go. I want you to indicate and turn left, please. There you go. Turn left. All done. Go. Go, 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 boy. There we go. Come on, boy. You're going too slow. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Let's get some speed. Let's move. We got places to go. There we go. Now don't keep accelerating. You get a nice steady thingy and then then keep going. Yeah, there we go. Nice steady. Well done. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Run over the guy wearing the Zanu shirt. No, I'm joking, I'm joking. Yeah, I want you to indicate and turn right, boy. Hey, what up, everyone? Shingai's driving lessons. When I was young, my daddy didn't take me for driving lessons. He used to beat me for stealing his car. Come on, boy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Straighten up, straighten up. Lovely jobbly. Hey, Carol. Yeah, don't bite your lips too much, my son. Come on now, relax. How do you relax? Relax, boy. Let's play some Migos.
I'm relaxed.
Huh?
I'm relaxed.
You're not relaxed. Hey, you're gonna go to the pub. Should I play some Migos?
Okay, then.
Yeah. Right. So I know there's potholes, but then dodging other cars takes priority over potholes, okay? There we go. Hey, Mr. Lorraine, what up? You're driving very nicely, son. Keep dodging them potholes. See, we have to teach our children how to dodge potholes. What a shame. I mean, if you watch how the other people are driving, they're also driving like weird, right? Because they're also trying to dodge the crazy amounts of potholes. Look at that, 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 look at that. It's a mess. Anyway. Yeah, dodge those ones. We're gonna die! We're gonna die! Okay, I want you to indicate and take the right, please. Here is a giveaway, so you need to actually, I'd like you to actually give like a proper stop. There you go. Sorry, the grass has not been cut by Harare City Council, so you can't see around the corners. But then, I don't know what the hell happened, but anyway. We're now at Mebrain swimming pool. The swimming pool that, does it still work, boy?
Nope.
Doesn't work?
There's people inside.
There's people inside. What are they doing? Playing in the dry?
Yes.
Are you sure? It looks like they repainted. There's water in there.
There's water in there?
They repainted and everything.
Wow,
Mebrain
swimming pool is... Mebrain swimming pool is actually working. Well done.
Wow.
It's called pub. Hold on, slow down, boys, so that we can actually see if it's working.
Yeah.
Wow, it's actually working. That's wonderful.
I wonder when it reopened.
That is wonderful. I'm so happy to see Mebrain swimming pool working, eh? That's wonderful, wonderful.
New Zimbabwe.
New Zimbabwe. The swimming pool's working. We can now, I don't know how much it is long. We'll find out now that it's working. I lost the house with the pool. What's in the pool, boy, now? Fish. I lost out the pool to the fish. Actual fish, like brim farming.
But it was a working pool. It wasn't like it was deserted.
Working pool.
Because usually when no one's using the pool, that's when you put fish in.
Nah, you know. Sigh. Are you happy, boy? Hey! You gotta get used to distractions, boy.
Yeah, I agree.
There's a woman with a baby on her back. How would you be extra careful when you're going past her? Go on to your left, to the right of me, sorry. Just gently, then go straight. Go on, boy. Then you're gonna turn left on the other thing there. All done. Hey, what up, peoples? We're on Instagram Live.
Left.
Turn right, turn right. We're on Instagram Live because, you know, I'm blocked off Facebook. I'm blocked off Facebook. So the best way for me to save these memories is to actually put them on the cloud. My phone don't have too much memory no more. Keep going straight, sonny. Easy. The car coming. Don't go into the woods. There we go. Run over the mongrels, boy. Run over the dogs, boy. Look at the cracks on my windscreen. Look at the cracks on my windscreen. My car is totally like... That was a police officer. That's when I ran over another police officer. What did I do on Facebook? The thing is, the haters are now like, they'll send like 50 people to report me for some weird shit, and then I get blocked. So now they managed to get me blocked for a month at a time. So I'm blocked for a month. Imagine that long. I have to do anything. Like, they have to find like an obscure post, and then they report me, like, and they send like a swarm of reporters to report me. Then I get blocked for ages. You know, they don't like niggas like me on the internet, man. How are you feeling, boy?
Good.
Good? Okay, so how do I... Okay, we're done now. Save, end.